It's all about my favorite go to source for craft supplies. I found this store back in my initial years of crafting. This is one of the best places I found for basic craft supplies. Al Fakir Bookshop in Oman is one of the oldest and most respected bookshops in the country, offering a wide selection of quality products. They have a print center too, and parking is available in front of the store. Very handy for artistic people, and they have all sort of stationery, office supplies, party and birthday supplies, and they have an amazing selection of really good art and craft supplies too. And the store located in Al Khuwair near Shell petrol station and McDonald's in Muscat. These are the items I bought from Al Fakir, but they are not fresh purchase as I bought them few months back. Some of the items I have opened like washi tapes, paper tapes, but in today's tutorial as well I will be using the washi tape and paper tapes only. So let's begin with the tutorial. So I'm using some paper tapes, white cardboard shapes, mainly paisley and circle shapes for the first project which I'm making. So what I'm making is Toran. Now what is Toran? It's a decorative door hanging that is commonly found in Indian homes and is used to adorn the main entrance of a house during occasions. But I will place this Toran on the door of my home temple. Trust me, initially I did not like the way it was coming up, but by the end of it, when I added stick on gems and beads, I just fell in love with the whole Indian traditional vibes it was emanating. To make it into a hanging, I'm using this threaded bead garland. Before I share the final look, here are some failed attempts too, which did not come out as great as I thought so. The best part of making this toran is doesn't require a huge amount of material and it's quite easy and quick to make. I hope this tutorial inspires you for all the crafting. See you soon until next time.